Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Diablo 4 error codes, login issues, and just skipping queue and all that bad stuff. Yeah, so let's get started. So the first thing you guys can do is actually just simply turn off your console. You're going to wait 2 to 3 minutes, you can turn it back on and then you can check to see if that worked. If that did not work, the second method you guys can do is go to the PlayStation Plus, or same with Xbox. It's basically similar. Should be same on PC as well. And then you're going to go to your monthly games or whatever is a similar version on Xbox, and you're going to download any one of these three games. This might be a weird fix, but somehow it actually does fix the Diablo error code. So you're just going to download any one of these three free games, and it should actually fix the Diablo error code. So yeah, and if that, however, fails as well, the last thing you guys can do is simply uninstall Diablo, and then you're going to reinstall it. And then after doing all of these things, hopefully it does fix the error code, and these should be like workarounds, and you can always wait for the devs to fix the error code as well, but you don't really want to do that because they might take a long time. It might take like days or even weeks. And yeah, so that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.